Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn profile to showcase projects with Notion galleries, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture at the top of the page. Once on your profile, scroll down to the featured section. If you don't see a featured section, you can add it by clicking on the Add Profile section button. In the drop-down menu, find the option for Featured and click on it. After adding the featured section, click on the plus sign to add a new piece of content. Choose the option to add a link. Open Notion and go to the page containing the galleries you want to feature. In Notion, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the page. Select Copy Link to copy the shareable link of your gallery. Return to LinkedIn and paste the Notion link in the designated field. Click Add. You'll then be prompted to edit the title and description of your feature. Make sure the title is concise and reflects the content of your project. In the description, provide a brief overview of the project's goal, your role, and any noteworthy outcomes or skills utilized. Optimize your description with relevant keywords to enhance searchability. Once you're satisfied with the information, click Save. Your Notion gallery should now be visible in the featured section of your profile. To ensure it stands out, consider rearranging the order of your featured items. You can do this by dragging and dropping the items into your preferred arrangement. Take a moment to view your profile as a visitor to see how the gallery appears. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure it looks polished and professional. It's also a good idea to share this update with your network by creating a post highlighting your featured project. This can help increase visibility and engagement with your work. Regularly update your LinkedIn profile to keep your showcased projects current and relevant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.